Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have x raised to the power 4 plus in bracket x minus 2 all raised to the power 4 equals to 82. And here, we to solve for the value of x. To solve this, solution. So we have x can be written as in bracket x, then we can subtract 1 from this and add 1 to this, okay, then all raised to power 4 plus in bracket x minus 2 can be written as we have minus 1, and this is all raised to power 4 equals to 82. At this junction, we are then going to say that let x minus 1 equals to u, such that this equation then becomes we have in brackets we have u plus 1 all raised to power 4, then plus in brackets u minus 1 all raised to power 4, and this equals 82. From this, we're going to expand this equation, and to expand this equation, we're going to use the Pascal triangle. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, and 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, so right here, we have that since we have the fourth power, right here, we're going to be making use of this. Now, making use of this, we have that for the value of, if you have in brackets, right here, if you have in brackets a plus b all raised to power 4, this equals to a raised to power 4 plus 4a cubed times b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b raised to power 4. And for the value of in bracket a minus b all raised to power 4, this equals to a raised to power 4 plus minus 4a cubed b, then plus 6a squared b squared minus 4ab cubed plus b raised to power 4. So with this, following this equation, u plus 1 power of 4, applying this first rule, this is then equal to, we have u raised to power 4 plus 4u cubed plus 6u squared plus 4u plus 1 power of 4 is 1. And also u minus 1 power of 4, making use of this second rule, this is then equal to plus 4 plus u raised to power 4 minus 4u cubed plus 6u squared, then minus 4u plus 1 power of 4 is 1. And all of this is equal to 82. So this is equal to 82. Looking at this, plus 4u cubed, we cancel minus 4u cubed, plus 4u, cancel out minus 4u. So we then have the equation u power of 4 plus u power of 4, 2u raised to the power of 4, then plus 6u squared plus 6u squared plus 12u squared plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 82. Then factorize out 2 from this, 2 into bracket u power of 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 equals to 82. Divide both sides by 2. By 2 we divide 2. So we then have this equation as u raised to the power of 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 equals to 41. Next, we are then going to move 41 over to this side so that we have u raised to the power of 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 minus 41 equals 0. So factorize out u squared from this. We have in bracket u squared all raised to the power of 2 plus 6u squared, then plus 1 minus 41 minus 40 equals to 0. At this junction, we are then going to say that let u squared equals to t. such that this equation then becomes, we have t squared then plus 6 times t minus 40, and this equals to 0. Next, this equation is factorizable, so we have t squared then plus 60 can be written as plus 10t minus 40 is equal to 0. Factorize out t from this, t into bracket t plus 10. Factorize out minus 4 from this, minus 4 into bracket t plus 10, and this equals to 0. So from here, we have that we have a common factor, pick one, t plus 10, and we have t minus 4, and this equals 0. So with this, we're going to equate this to 0. T plus 10 equals 0, or we have t minus 4 is equal to 0. From this, the value of t equals minus 10, while from this, t is equal to plus 4. So this is the first and the second solution of the value of t. Now, recall that we said that let u square equals to t. So writing this down, that recall that u squared is equal to t. So for t1 to equal minus 10, we then have this, that u squared is equal to minus 10. From here, if we square root both sides, u is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 10. And u is equal to plus or minus, this is simply I times root 10. Okay, for the first value of u, when t1 equals to minus 10. Next, for t2 as 4, this then becomes that we have u squared is equal to 4. This then implies that if we square root both sides, u is equal to plus or minus 2, the second value of u. Now, to then solve for the value of x, recall that initially we said right here that let x minus 1 equals u. So writing this down, that recall x minus 1 is equal to u. And we got the first value of u as this, so this becomes x minus 1 is equal to u is plus or minus I times root 10. Move minus 1 over to this side, this becomes x is equal to 1 plus or minus I times root 10. And from this, we have the first and the second solution of x. Next, for u2 as plus or minus 2, this equation then becomes, we have x minus 1 is equal to u as plus or minus 2. Move this over to this side, this becomes x is equal to 1 plus or minus 2. So with this, x3 is equal to 1 plus 2, which equals to 3, and x4 is equal to 1 minus 2, which equals to minus 1. So these are the four solutions for the value of x for this given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.